Hi guys, welcome to my garage again. Got another unboxing video. This is the SGS Engineering spw200 parts washer. Now, I had a bit of trouble with this one. I originally ordered it through Mano. I'll never use it again, never again. Absolute nightmare. I had to get a refund, which took a couple of weeks. But they had an offer on. They had parts washer. It was a slightly different parts washer to this one, same company. From SGS, they're £155. But Mano had the sale on £119. So I ordered it. But it turns out SGS didn't have them in stock, although Mano was still selling them. So yeah, I had a bit of a palaver. Eventually, SGS, get that out of the way. SGS got these back in stock themselves, so I brought it direct from them. This is a slightly different one to what I originally ordered, but it's bigger and cheaper, so it's £120 or £119.99. I can't remember the capacity of it off the top of my head, but I'll tell you in a minute. And it's in a bloody big box. Yeah. It's the size of that. Oh, and it comes more or less complete. I think you've just literally got. So what I'll do, I'll move the camera around a little bit so you might be able to see. Right, you can see the size of it, it's bloody massive. I think basically you've just got to put the legs on it and a couple of bits. As always from SGS, it's well packaged. And I'll say again, I'm not sponsored by them or anything. This is just me buying my tools for work, and I thought I may as well do a quick review on it, because who don't like an unboxing video? Right, get these bits out of the way. Right, so they're the legs. The instructions with SGS stuff's usually pretty simple, really. Right, what have we got here? We go. Right. SGS spw200 parts washer owner's manual. And right, there you go. Pump capacity 17 litres a minute. Length is 780mm, width 542mm, and height 875mm. 250 volt. Working capacity 45 litres. Right, so that's simple enough. Let's try and get in this. We're going to put that knife. I assume this is the pump. Any filters or whatever needed for it. A little box of, little bag of nuts and bolts. Put that there. That's your on-off switch and your pump. Well, that's your little filter that slides over that. Ah, right. So I assume that's going to go in that side. Let's check there's nothing left to take to that. Move that out of the way. We'll move that out of there. What I'll do is I'll get it all out of the box. I'll put it all on there where I'm likely to scratch it. Yet again, the garage is an absolute mess, as always. Hopefully soon I'll have a new unit. I've simply not been able to get a new unit due to COVID and all that. That's the box shelf. Nothing left in there, a bit of polystyrene. Let's move that out of the way. Move that. Stand that up there like that. And let's put that there. A nice flat top as well, so you can use it as a work surface. Right, let's find some destructions, shall we? Like I said, they're usually pretty simple to put together, these things. Assembly. Choose a firm flat level space, blah blah blah. We're using a well ventilated area. Yeah, that's fairly simple. Right. Ah, I see. So, 4 legs. You don't get any simpler, I don't think, to be honest. Move that forward like that. I'll see whether you can see what I'm doing. Let's slow you down a little bit, shall we? There we go. I don't think you really need the instructions to put this together, to be fair. You got 4 per leg, so let's just put a couple in there to hold that. Put a lock washer on there. And a nut. Yes. You really can't go far wrong with this, I don't think. I've had a few things off SGS and I've never had a problem with any of it. Right, what I'm going to need is, looks like a 10mm spanner and a Phillips screwdriver. Positive screwdriver. There's my 10mm. That's 10mm. And the positive drive. Let's just put that nut through there so they're all in. Like so. Right, unfortunately, like an idiot, I forgot to buy some fluid for it, so an actual I'm not having an actual using it video, but this is just a quick putting together and seeing the overall quality of what it looks like for now. Right, I'll get the rest of the legs put on. Right, there we have it. There we have it. I didn't film putting the bottom shelf in and stuff like that, and the pump literally just slots in and hooks on there. The shelf just slots on. It's so unbelievably simple to put together that, to be honest, I didn't see much point. Yeah, good quality as always. Thanks SGS for that one. I don't think, well, I'll pick, it's Sunday today, I'll go and pick some parts cleaner up tomorrow and it'll be getting used tomorrow. I just need to clear this garage out so I've got some space somewhere to put it. Yeah, happy days. I'll do is run to the tip and get rid of some polystyrene, recycle some cardboard. Yeah, I almost forgot I'd brought this. I just did a little review on the press and stuff, and then remembered I'd got this. Right, thanks for watching, guys.